Welcome to the Physics Galaxy. Next problem is for a 2 by 2 matrix, trace is equal 6, determinant 8. Then the values of eigenvalues are of a matrix 2 by 2 matrix. So it is very simple problem. We know that the properties of eigenvalues is sum of the eigenvalues equal trace and the product of eigenvalues is equal determinant for a square matrix. So now the question, A is a matrix the order of 2 and it is a square matrix. So trace, let us consider the eigenvalue lambda 1 and lambda 2 for a matrix A. So the properties of eigenvalues, the sum of the eigenvalues is equal to 6 equal trace. Okay, so that is the first condition. And the other properties of eigenvalues, the product of eigenvalues of a square matrix is equal to determinant of a matrix, that is 8. There two conditions is present. So now option check, option A 2 3 sum over equal to 5. So फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. सेकंड ऑप्शन में ए भी ये दोनों कंडीशन को सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. थर्ड ऑप्शन में 4 2 जा 6 एंड 4 2 जा 8. सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन में सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. ये जो प्रॉपर्टी है आइगन वैल्यूज का, सॉरी थर्ड ऑप्शन में, एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन में ए सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी. RMS velocity of oxygen at T temperature is equal to RMS velocity of any gas at T by 16 temperature. Then the gas is hydrogen, helium, neon, carbon dioxide. So it is very simple problem. We know that the RMS velocity formula, RMS velocity, so Vrms is equal to the thrice RT by M. Now first case is oxygen, so Vrms oxygen is equal to thrice RT by M. M is equal 32 for oxygen. Then Vrms prime, so that is the second case, is equal to thrice RT prime by M prime. Given T prime is equal to T by 16 and M prime, what is the value of M prime? So ये हमको फाइंड करने के लिए क्वेश्चन में बोला था. तो Vrms प्राइम is equal to the Vrms, that is the given condition of a problem. So put the value 3RT 32 is equal 3RT by 16 M prime. Simply calculate it. So M prime is equal 2. Clear? So the mass of the atomic mass of the atom is 2. So there are 4 options: helium, hydrogen, neon, carbon dioxide. So the correct option is hydrogen. So option A. Three XNOR gate. Okay, it's combined from, that is the ground state and that is the input A. So find the value of output Y. There are four options: A prime, A bar, and 0. You are also known for a exclusive NOR gate, XNOR gate. Let us consider the input B. So that is 0. One input is B and the other is 0. So the XNOR gate output is always B bar. Okay. And one input is B, another input is 1. For XNOR gate is always output is B. B0 input, then B bar always, and B1 input is output always B. So that is the trick of this problem. It's very simply calculate it the output. So the first XNOR gate input is A and another is 0 because it is ground. So A0 output nature is B bar, so there A bar, and then this input is A and another is A bar. So A bar is present of a input this XNOR gate, so output is 0. Okay, then this input is A0, so output is always A bar. Okay, so output is always A bar. So the correct output, the given problem, that is A bar. So correct option is B. Moment of inertia of a solid sphere, radius r and mass m, about the axis which is at the distance of r/2 from the center. Very simple problem in classical mechanics. We know that the of a solid sphere, the center of mass, moment of inertia is always 2/5 m r square. There m is the mass of the solid sphere and r is the radius. So that is the moment of inertia of the center of mass of 2/5 m r square. Then find the value of moment of inertia about the axis of AB. That is the distance of the point, distance of the axis is r/2. So calculate the moment of inertia for a AB axis. So we know that the parallel axis theorem, IAB equal to ICM plus MR prime square. So equal to 2/5 of MR square plus M of R/2 whole square, because R prime is equal to R/2. Okay, so it can solve it. So MR square plus MR square by 4. So that is the value of moment of inertia for a AB axis is equal to 13 by 20 of mr square. So the correct answer is 13 by 20. Okay. For a coordinate transformation xy to x prime y prime, given that the x prime is equal to x plus 3y, y prime is equal minus 3x plus 4y, and then dx prime dy prime is equal to the c of dx dy, then the value of c is, so that is the areal component dx prime dy prime, that is the s dash prime we consider, and this is the old coordinate system, that is the s prime. So it is very simple problem in mathematical physics, that is the Jacobian, using Jacobian. So Jacobian is equal, we know that the Jacobian is equal the determinant of dx prime by dx and dx prime by dy, dy prime by dx and dy prime by dy. Here x prime y prime is the new coordinate and xy is the old coordinate. So differentiate it, the value of dx prime dx, that is the 2, and this is 3, and this is minus 3, this is 4. So the calculation of the determinant, the 8 plus 9, that is 17th. So C value, so C, the value of Jacobian is equal to the Jacobian. So the answer is, correct answer is 17th. Okay.